Kongay Pachoy.
So guys, nag-tour mi nga rin sa El Corso and nice humot kayang ilang cinemas guys. Guys, we're here right now sa El Corso to witness the Dragon Dance. Chinese New Year! Unsaon gina great og Chinese New Year.
Kongay Pachoy.
Konghe Pachoy sa mga Chinese friends.
Pachoy, di inchik diri o kaliwaton.
Hi, Inchik. Wala may lights. Ay, bait siya. More Konghe Pachoy. So, we're going to witness Dragon Dance. So, celebration ni siya sa Chinese New Year sa El Corso. Oh my God. So, gabiin na guys. Mag-wait pa mi kay excited. Tagaan ni o kanang murag kapalaran ni mo. Anong kapalaran ko this year. So, we'll see.
Light show kami. Kongay Pachoy.
siya. So, sariling sikap, please forgive me. Okay. Okay na, ano na po? So, our life show. Wala na, siya kasi. Ano man ni, ano? Wala ko yung fortune! Wala sila, guys. So, guys, wala. So, mo attempt ko another. Like, ako na ganiwan na. Magawas na yung fortune. Wala na, ano? Life show. Wala, basahon. Tamo mo ako first nga pabasahon na. I'll be your pride. I'll be your pride. Wako kasapot, bye. So guys, after watching the wushu performances, the dragon dance and the lion dance, we're here right now to eat sa Il Corso Fishes Restaurant. There is El Corso, so if dili na ko maka-outro, so meaning lobat ako. So bye-bye for now. Thank you so much for watching. Mga sarangin. Kaon may ani. Bala na lang niyo. Wala, uy. Isa na ni ice cream is like daw. Lami. Lami daw. So, mukaon ta.
You're welcome. Ano ba yan? Also house the big breads. Yes, they are from the south, in Minglanilla. And then we also house the largest indoor mural by Francis Soliano. So we have the Celosia by the Sea concept right there, and then here is the active lifestyle. We launched it last December during our Christmas period. Structure that was finished was the first one where there's a name na Il Corso in the lighthouse, and where there's an amphitheater. So you can see it better right outside the sea. So it's in the painting and the yoga group. Wanted to see this, those who are watching the cinema, so they have an option to order pika-pika. Dito lang tayo. Traditional. We have that advocacy that apart from the government helping us clean the oceans na dumarating na basura, which is also a misconception because they think that every time there's an event, there's always a trash. But the sea will always return what we throw at them. So every day may trash talaga dyan. So it's because of our joint collaboration with the city and our team, we are cleaning the coast. So that's why we're called the Coast Toadian. So we're gonna get inside the Cinema 1.
So guys, nag-tour mi nga rin sa El Corso and nice humot kayang ilang cinemas guys. If you can visit here, murag dili pak manggugay siya crowded, so nindot siyang datean siya. Mag-date ka diri Miss Anne.
Ay, pohon. Pero nice silang chairs, kanang comfortable kayo siya. Comfortable. Nakatanaw biya ko diri.
Oh my
Katong
God.
Spider-Man.
Wow. Based on her experience guys, nice diri. And then, ano pa siya, nindot pa gyud siya kay dili kay siya
Dili siya
overcrowded. And then,
Pwede jud mo mag-date.
Dili mo mag-date kay after man na magsalida nga tumunga to sa kanang kilid sa sea, mag-standby. And then tanawa sa kuya, relax kayo, nice kayo, no? And then, bago pa jud kayo yung mga grabe na gid ni. Unsa mo balik ang escalator nga na siya si Sir Jim. First nga pagsakay sa escalator sa El Corso. How do you feel? Why do you opt to display mga murals and murals?
We also, apart from Il Corso as having as one of the destination in the southern part of the city, just like our Mother Mall in Manila festival, it brought life to Alabang. That's why we call ourselves Philinvest Life Malls. So in connection to this, how do you connect the life within this area for the development of City de Mare, of course, we feature the artworks also of our story. So we're happy that Francis Soliano helped us make it realized, and his team. So there we have the artworks. And we also want it to be a creative hub for, especially earlier, we have a book launch by Miss Mila, Gingging Dum Dum. So that's a start. Aside from the murals, we also starting to get the creative people in terms of different arts, from painting to the different sculptures, like katong si Mr. Sabon Ace, and we have now the writer starting with Ma'am Gingging. And of course you guys, you're here, so I hope that you'll be you'll be here to create the moment with us. So it's also one of our brand campaign at your refreshing retail resort mall here in Cebu, Il Corso. Gong Shi Fat Chai. Happy Chinese New Year to everyone. Hello Cebu. Welcome to Il Corso Philinvest Life Malls, your refreshing retail resort mall. So I welcome you here, and I hope that you come and drop by and enjoy and experience Stellar, the first in Cebu's dancing musical fountain. Every weekend, just check out our Facebook page to know more of the schedule. Thank you!
Nice kay mo dress. Kinsa kay ito naghimuan ni Miss?
Si Francis Soliano, he's an sorry ha, wala na ako nasirado. I didn't give justice to the clothes. It's an overlace, it's Chinese inspired. So I believe this is one of his advocacy on the, what do you call this one? I forgot the term, but it's
You
like
mentioned Miss na sa to katong murag
recycling,
yeah.
textile recycling. Because I think apart from the plastic pollution happening, we also have the textile pollution. Yeah, I think it's really
for pila ka years.
because it doesn't, goes back to nature in a nice way.
Yeah.
I think we have to be conscious with what we wear also.
Sa Pikas ka?